Hello students, in last class we discussed about the definition of the mathematics and the number system. Okay, in today class we will discuss theory of indices. Right, we know these some results on the basis of indices. Okay, right, first one here, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Second one, ab whole raised to m, it can be written as a raised to m b raised to m. Third one, a divided by b whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Next, fourth one, a raised to minus m can be written as 1 divided by a raised to m. Next, fifth one, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. These are the some results of the indices. Okay, first one here. What is the first one? A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, in first here both base means here also a is there, here also a means base is same. Okay, base is same. If base is same, then we can add the power. What is the power of a here? It is m. Then here n, then you can add the power, that is m plus n, only when the base must be same. Okay, for example, here this is x is to 2 is there and this is x is to 3 is there. Here both here base x is there, therefore we can add the powers. Okay, x, what is the power here? First one 2, then 3. Therefore 2 plus 3. Therefore x is to 5. Consider here z cube, z is to 5. Here also base is same, that is z is there. Then we can add power, that is z is to 3 plus 5. Therefore z is to 8. Okay, first here first result meaning if base is same means we can add the power. Okay, it is not limited to only 2 terms, we can add 3 terms also here. If you consider here a raised to m, a raised to n, a raised to x, a raised to y. Okay, all here relation is multiply only. Therefore here all the base is same only, that is a is there. Then we can add power, that is a raised to m plus n plus x plus y. Right. For example, consider x raised to 2 or x square, then y raised to 3. What is the base of the first term here? X is there. What is the base of the second term? Y is there. Here both base are different, therefore we can't add the power here, that is 2 plus 3. This answer is same as it is, x square into y cube. Instead of here y cube, if another term is there here after y cube, if another term, if it is x is to 5. In this terms, here also x is there, here also x is, base is same, then you can add the power here, x. Okay, what is the power here? 2 and here 5. 2 plus 5, 7. But here only y term, single term is there, therefore that is as it is, that is y cube. Therefore first result meaning here, if base is same, then we can add the power here. Next, second result, AB whole is to m Okay, AB whole is to m. Then what is the result here? A raised to m into b raised to m. This meaning here for these two term the power is m only. Then we can separately write as a raised to m into b raised to m. If you write here x, y is there, whole is to 5. Consider another term x, y whole is to 2 is there. Right. In first term, okay, what are the power for these two letters here? That is 5. Therefore, it can be written as x is to 5, y is to 5. Okay, here also. What is the power here? 2. Separately write down. X square and y square. Next here, the relation between these two terms here, into is there or multiplication is there. Here also x is to 5, here x is to 2 is there. Here x and x, both base is same. Then we can add the power here. X, right, what is the power here? 5. What is the power here? 2. Therefore 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, y and y is there. What are the bases? Y is there, both side y only. Therefore y, then we can add the power 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore x is to 7 and y is to 7. Next, we can add the negative numbers also. Consider here xy whole is to minus 2 is there. Okay, then xy whole is to minus 8. This can be written as x is to minus 2, y is to minus 2. Okay, first term. Then here x is to minus 3, y is to minus 3. Here also x is there, here also x. Both base is same. Then we can add the power. X minus 2 minus 3. It is minus 5. Then here y, both base is same. Y, here what is the power of y here? Minus 2. Then power of y here? Minus 3. Okay, base is same. Then we can add the power. That is minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Next, third case. Okay, here the relation is into is there. Here divide by. If divide by is there, then we can separately write as a raised to m. Okay, a divided by b whole raised to m can be written as a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Okay, that is meaning here if x divided by y whole raised to 5 is there, right, we can write this as x raised to 5 divided by y raised to 5. Separately we can write this one. Okay, next, fourth one, here negative is there, right? A raised to minus m. Okay, a raised to minus m can be written as 1 divided by a raised to m. Already we know that 2 raised to minus 1. This can be written as 1 by 2. In the same way, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. If in case of here 2 raised to minus m is there, then this can be written as 1 divided by 2 raised to m. Okay, next, this is always, okay, it is always true. That is a raised to 0 is equal to 1, means anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. It will be x raised to 0 also 1 only, y raised to 0 also 1. Instead of 2 a, consider numbers also. 3 raised to 0 means 1 only. 2 raised to 0, it is also 1, right? Next, okay, these are on the basis of theory of indices. Okay, here consider some sign conversion. Okay, sign conversion. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟೇ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟೇ, ಇಂಟು ಇದ್ರೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟೇ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಡಿಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ plus. Okay, here also positive number, here also consider positive number only. The relation between these two here, plus means addition. Final answer should be in the form of plus only. Okay, plus plus here. Okay, adding two positive number, again positive number only. Okay, next plus minus. Okay, one number here positive is there, another number here negative is there. Then what is the sign? It is not into. Here what is the sign here? It is positive is there, means addition is there, right? First term positive number, then here this number is negative term, then answer is positive or negative. Okay, it may be positive or it may be negative. It is depends. Okay, next problem here na ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, first one positive, second one number here negative. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಬೋತ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ positive. Now here consider first number is as a negative and this second number as a positive. Okay, then what is the final answer? Here also same, it may be positive or it may be negative. It is depends. Okay, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ here we have to add the two negative number, then what is the final? Here always it is negative only. If you add the two positive number, sign is positive only. If you add two negative number, okay, adding is there. Okay, adding two negative number, sign is negative only, but one is positive, another negative means okay, it may be positive or it may be negative. It depends upon the numbers. Okay, consider here first here, if you consider both numbers are positive, 2 plus 3. Okay, what is the answer? 5. Plus 5 or minus 5? Plus 5 only, right? Because here both are positive, therefore answer here 5. Next here consider this one, 3 plus, okay, 3 plus minus 2. What is the answer here? Okay, first here in this case it may be positive or it may be negative, depends upon the number. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, here what to minus is there, therefore 3 minus 2 is 1. Then here positive or negative here? Okay, it is positive. Which is the bigger here number? 3 is bigger one or 2 is bigger one? 3 is the bigger one. What is the sign of the 3 here? It is positive is there, therefore answer here plus 1. Okay, answer here plus 1. Consider here another example, 3 plus minus 4. 3 plus minus 4. 3 minus 4 is 1. Positive or negative? It is depends upon the which is the bigger number here. Which is the bigger one? 3 or 4? 4 is the bigger one. What is the sign of the 4 here? Negative is there, therefore negative. Therefore here also one positive is there, one negative is there. Here what ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೈನ್ ಬರೆದೇನೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರೆದೇನೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ, ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, 3 minus 2 okay is 1, then it is positive or negative, it is depends upon the bigger number, which is the bigger one here, 3. Therefore what is the sign here? Plus. In this case 3 minus 4, 1, which is the bigger one? 4. What is the sign of the 4 here? Minus, therefore minus 1. Next here, third one. Okay, it is also same thing only. If we consider here minus 3 plus 2. Okay, both signs are here different only. One is negative, another is positive. Means what to subtract. 3, 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is 1. Positive or negative? Which is the bigger one? 3. What is the sign of the 3? Minus. Okay, therefore write here minus. Next. 3, okay, minus 3 plus 4. Both signs are different only. Therefore, minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Positive one or negative one? It is depends upon the which is the bigger one. 4 is bigger one or 3 is bigger one? 4. What is the sign of the 4 here? Positive. Therefore, answer here positive. Next, last one, negative number. If both are negative means final answer should be negative only. That is minus 2 plus minus 3. Okay, minus 2 minus 3. Answer is minus 5. Okay, or minus 3 plus minus 2. Same thing only. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 5. If both signs are same means what to add in addition or subtraction, not in multiplication. Okay, both positive means positive. If both negative means negative. If one is positive means one is negative means what to subtract. Then final number is depends upon the which is the bigger one, right? Conversation here on the basis of into, that is plus into plus only. Okay, plus into plus is plus only, plus into minus is minus. Next, minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Okay, in previous, that is on the basis of addition. Okay, in that sign is okay. If one is positive, one is negative there, that is depends upon which is the bigger one. But here into is there, right? In addition or subtraction, what to consider the sign of the bigger one, right? But here into is there. Plus into plus is plus only. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Okay, these are the sign. Okay, on the basis here, just consider it. 2 into. Okay, 2 into 3. Here both are positive is there. 2 into 3, it is plus 6. Next, 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. It is not depends upon the sign of the bigger number. Okay, that is only for addition or subtraction. But it is hint here relation. What is the relation here? Into is there. Next, minus into plus, minus. Okay, minus 2 into plus 3. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Next, minus into minus here, plus. Minus 2 into minus 3 equal to plus 6. Right. Same type in the division also. Okay, just remember the sign here in the division also. That is plus number. Okay, plus divided by plus is plus only. Next, minus divided by minus is plus only. Okay, it is also same as the multiplication. Plus divided by minus is minus, or minus divided by plus is minus, right? Same for the multiplier. Plus into plus, plus only. In the division also, plus divided by plus, plus. In multiplication, minus into minus, plus. Here also same. Minus divided by minus is plus. In multiplication, plus into minus, minus. Here also, plus divided by minus, minus. And last one, minus divided by plus is minus. In multiplication also same. Minus into plus is minus only, right?